of the largest subscription boxes out there on the market, this is definitely the unboxing for you. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. Today we do lots of unboxings over here on my channel, and today we are going to be looking at the summer 2024 Breo box. This subscription is a quarterly box that is full of tech gadgets, and they're super functional, very helpful and useful gadgets that you receive every single quarter. Not only are they fun, but like I said, you can continue to reuse them. So I kind of like that this isn't a subscription that's one and done. You really get your money's worth because you can continuously reuse them later. So if you're interested in the Breo box subscription, I will be posting a link down below. Right now, the summer 2024 box is shipping, and so everything that you see today in this unboxing video is what you will receive in your box. So everybody receives the same box every quarter. There's no customization with this one. But additionally, I was able to get you guys an exclusive discount code. So if you would like to try this box out, save a little bit of money off of your first order, I have that code down below. Also, this one's really heavy this season. So this is the entire bag of goodies, you guys. Like, this is full. So on top, we do have a card here that tells us a little bit more about the products. It says, dive deep into your summer life hacks. There is a QR code here, and you can learn how to use all of the products, but it's also going to tell you why they put it in the box this season. So this is your QR code if you guys want to learn more about the summer box. First up in the box is a fan. Now this fan, not only is it an oscillating fan to keep you cool, but it also has a tripod attached to it. And you'll notice this tripod is super flexible. So what's nice about this is you can attach it to anything, anywhere. You could also have it standing up if you wanted to, like on a desk of some sort. Maybe you want to put it on your bicycle when you're out riding. You could always attach it to the bars and have a cool breeze. Because there are some days this summer where it's stifling hot out and there's no breeze. And normally I'm like, man, if there was just a breeze, it wouldn't be that bad out. This will definitely help with that this summer. So you will need to charge this up occasionally, and it does come with the charging cord inside of the box, so that will be included. And then down below, you're gonna have your black fan that will look like this. It's honestly larger than I thought it was going to be, because I was thinking like a handheld fan, but this is like twice the size I thought. And then this is the tripod that is attached to it. So here's what your fan will look like. It is very lightweight, so that's very nice. But then you can actually stand this up if you wanted to, like I said, on a desk. Or you can bend and manipulate this any which way and attach it to something and have your fan with you to give you a breeze. Oh, it does work. I didn't know if it was going to have enough power or not, but it does. It's good, you guys. Like, it's got a lot of power to it. Oh, and it speeds up. Oh my gosh, it's going to dry out my contacts. So it actually has more than one setting as well. Man, when it really gets going, like you guys, I'm like having to blink. My contacts are drying out in no time, but there's a lot of power to this little guy. So according to the book, it does state that this retails for $19.99, and it says that it is a powerful fan, which I can confirm, but it says it's also super quiet. So this is great if you want to take it with you on a camping trip and you need it inside of a tent. You could also put it on a baby stroller or a crib, or even on a golf cart or wheelchair as well. A 6-in-1 portable power bank. I love these, you guys. I have so many different power banks or battery packs, but honestly, if you don't have electricity, these are a lifesaver. So I have tons of these just as backups. Now this one's really cool because it is a 6-in-1 portable charger, so you can actually charge multiple devices all at once with this device. It does mention that this is safe for traveling, so this can go in your luggage if you want to travel on a plane or anything. It's the right size and it will be able to travel with you. So it shows it's 10,000 mAh for the capacity on this battery pack. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and look at it, but I like that it's got a slim design as well. So you could stick this into a backpack and then be charging your devices again while you're out camping or if you're hiking, anything like that. I mean, look at how slim it is. Like, that's really good. And it's not as heavy as some of my other packs are. So this one will have the cables built right into it, which is another plus because now you don't have to pack those extras. So you can actually pull this right out and it will have your charging cable right there. And then you just plug it right back in and that way it's nice and seamless again. On the other side, it will have the other chargers available. So this one will also work on like Android devices. Some of the newer iPhones will have that one as well. Then to recharge the battery pack up, you can actually just plug this into a wall outlet and it will recharge up your entire battery pack. Now they do show down here that you can plug into it to recharge it this way as well. And I think it has a digital display, so it will show you what is left on this battery pack. Honestly, the digital display is a game changer because most traditional battery packs and power banks do not have the digital display on them. They just don't make them like that. And I don't know why. It's such a better feature. And I don't know, it's nice knowing like, hey, is this not working because it's dead or is it not working because it's defective? You can't always tell if there's not a digital display on there. So personally, I think this is always a game changer and I love that feature. Did we get a blender? We got a blender in this box. This next item is called Blendy. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. My blender has a name. This is the Blendy Pro Plus. And it says you can blend whenever and wherever. It's 17.5 ounces. This one says there are 6 stainless steel blades that will blend almost anything. And they are going to have a travel bottle that comes with this. That way you can take it with you. There's also a strap, so if you wanted to carry it, you could as well. Oh my goodness. So this is our next item, is a blender. See what I mean? It's just the coolest gadgets you get inside of this box. Like, they find some of the best products out there and they're so much fun. So inside, I do have a charging cable. This is included in your box. There's also going to be a little storage cup as well. So this will be included. They did mention that everything in here is BPA free. And then this will be the lid for that storage cup. So if you wanted to put like your fruits or maybe berries or something like that, because you know you're gonna have a smoothie in the morning, you can actually put that all in here. That way it's all safe to take with you and secure. And then down below is our blender. Ah, look at him. Okay, Blendy is pretty darn cute, let's be real. So this is your cute, adorable little blender. You can see the stainless steel blades inside here. And then they do have the lines on the side for your cup as well. It goes up to 400 ml or 1.5 cups, so it doesn't chop a lot. But again, if you're making like single servings, it's going to be perfect. And then what's kind of genius about this is you can actually take this off of your blender. You could use the lid that we saw earlier and attach it to the bottom. That way you've got your bottle. And then they send you this piece that opens up and you're actually going to be able to drink it then from the blender itself. So isn't that awesome that you could actually make your smoothie in the morning? You could be out hiking, you could be camping, whatever it is, have all of your berries with, and then like I said, you're just gonna take this off, dump everything in here, and then you're just gonna take your blender, put it through, secure it, make sure it's tight, and then it will start up for you and you can actually blend all of your berries and everything that you need. Then once you're done, just flip it upside down again. You'll unscrew this, add on the lid, and now you've got your drinking here, your drinking glass for your smoothie or whatever it may be. I mean, I think that's pretty handy. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, this thing has way more power in it than I anticipated. So it does have a safety feature where it will not turn on until this is completely tight and locked. So I do like that feature. And then there's a button down below that you're gonna just press to start this. So you see the blades there? Look at this. I mean, you guys, like, there's quite a bit of power there. So this blender retails for $59.95 from the Blendy website. It says if you ever want to make a fresh frozen smoothie or even a margarita at the beach. Okay, now I like that idea, you guys. I'm thinking about hiking and breakfast. But margaritas at the beach sound way better. This one says that this is the perfect one for that. There is a lot of power. Agreed. I can confirm that. And it says you can blend anything, anywhere. There's 120 watts of power and it can crush 6 ice cubes all at once. The bottle itself is 17 ounces and it is leak proof. And it says that you can do 6 blends on a single charge. Okay, that might be my favorite item in the box. I love Blendy. So our next item is from Lucci, and it says Solar Anywhere Lights. It's a set of 6 lights that have a cool white LED, and they can recharge via solar power, or you can use the included cable to charge them back up. But then you have lights anywhere when you need them. There are hangable lights that are indestructible. They also have stakes that you can attach to them. So you could put them on the ground if you wanted to. And it says you can brighten up dinners on the patio or to off-grid adventures. These are the perfect choice for making memories under the night sky. All right, well, let's open it up and look at some lights. So this is what it looks like out of the box. And you're gonna notice this solar panel right here on the front. All of the actual light bulbs have to be inside of this case in order for it to charge up. Now it does come with a strap as well, so if you wanted to hang this up, you definitely can. There is a silicone cover over here on the side where you can plug this in and charge it up. It does come with that charging cable as well inside of the box. And then on the reverse side, it actually has a battery indicator, so you can click it and see how charged up this is, which in this case, it's not charged up very much. But then to open this, you're just gonna press this green button on the front and it will unlock itself. And then you have your 6 light bulbs inside. It's also going to come with the stakes and the hangers, depending on how you want to use your light bulbs. So you have a few different options. I'll show you the stake first. And basically this is just going to be a stake that you could use into the ground, but you'll notice that it actually has a little hanger as well that you can attach this onto something if you wanted to. So those will all be included inside of this kit. And then when you want to use one of these, you just pull it right out. This is what it will look like. And you can add this to your stake, which I believe you just put this right on the top here like so. And then it will look like this. And then it does say twist and it will turn the light on. So you'll notice it's on and then, oh, it gets brighter actually. If you keep twisting it, it gets brighter. So that's kind of cool. And then it turns itself off. Oh, I love that there are 3 different brightness levels on here. That's kind of cool. So this is just another handy gadget that you can use. I keep thinking of like outdoor camping events, you know what I mean? Like if you're hiking or anything, these would be great even if you wanted to hang them onto like a backpack or something. That way, if you needed to make sure you could find all of the people in your group, this would be a great way to identify everyone. So I do think these could be very handy. So if you were going to purchase these solar lights from Lucci, they retail for $79.95. So this is the most expensive item inside of the box. It says that this solar light pod is great for 2 reasons. 1, the lights are super bright, they're long lasting, versatile, and well built. So you could use this for a campsite, yard, or even your home. The second reason is that not only are these products high quality, but every purchase will bring clean energy to those who need it most. So they do have a charity aspect for every one of these being sold. They're also giving back to others. So that's really awesome. It does mention that the bulbs are weatherproof, shatterproof, and super light. And it says the case is waterproof as long as you keep those silicone covers shut for the charging ports, then it would be a waterproof box as well. Next up is an Odor Eliminator. So this is a full-size packet and it says there are 2 Maso bamboo charcoal bags inside of this, and they will help to eliminate any odors. So it says it's like a magnetic sponge. You can put these bags into shoes, you can put them in a closet, in your luggage, and it says without any use of fragrance or sprays, it will absorb all of those odors and then keep them in the bags. Now, these are also good if you want to keep them like in your car or a gym bag. I mean, honestly, the gym bag always needs help. You can kind of see them here, and then they're just going to be these packing cubes that you can use anywhere. I do love the idea of putting them into your shoes to eliminate any bad odors. I mean, that's kind of a genius idea, especially if you are sweating, that's perfect. But these are supposed to be able to be used for 2 years. Last item inside of our Breo box for summer is this bright yellow guy. This is called the mat. This is a silicone grooming mat, and basically you can use this in your bathroom and actually put all of your gadgets and everything that you're going to need onto this silicone mat, and that way nothing is going to roll away, it's not going to fall off the counter, it's going to be all in one place. Because it is silicone, you can clean this up really easily. You can run it under water and it will clean up really fast. But this one says that you can also roll it up if you want to keep it organized or stashed away. It's fully washable, non-slip, heat resistant, and antimicrobial. This will also be great if you want to use it in the car or anywhere that you need to place it to hold like your phone or your devices from moving around. You could also use it there. So honestly, you could use this in more areas than just the bathroom, but that's the original idea behind this grooming mat. So that is everything inside of the Breo box for summer 2024. Holy bananas, you guys. I love this box. Every time I open it up, I'm just so intrigued because I don't know any of these gadgets. Like, I've never seen them before, but then I see it and I'm like, that's super cool. I will use this. I love that you can take a blender with you on the go, and it is really powerful. Same thing with that fan. The fan, I was not expecting it to have that much wind power, but it really does. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think. But if you would like to have this exact same box that I'm sharing with you guys today, I will have the link down below along with a discount code. This box is currently shipping, so you can get it right away if you order in the summer months. Additionally, they do have a deal going on that if you purchase a year's subscription up front, you will receive free shipping on all of those boxes. So if you'd like to have free shipping on your boxes plus use my discount code, the better deal is definitely the annual option, but the code itself will work on either the quarterly membership or on the annual membership, so whichever one works for you, it's available. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see all of you in my next unboxing video. Bye!